self-referential, which is sort of subjective, and empirical analysis.
Well, you know, it's very stressful being on the phone these days.
Context, but they are mutually exclusive. Clarification, intuition.
A lot of great minds end up deluded, have schizophrenia, end up in the psychosis.
Analysis only, which is based on a sort of
Out of
intersubjectivity.
freaking
30 years. I juice every day. Every day I juice.
We're just waiting for John to get in the room. John Lovitz.
Everything's just standing. Right, my dog Chili Dog. It just hasn't
So-
told the joke.
See me, and again, you don't have to look at me. You can just listen to the audio if you want.
Oh.
You don't have to.
Because my views have been the alpha or the beta to the theta or the show, which is why attributing all of physical reality to.
So I have a question for you.
I wish you would.
I saw you kind of create a little equilibrium.
Or the beta to the.
I just feel like
Okay, what does that have to do with the fourth?
I have five suede.
I heard that you are also.
I feel you.
The same underwear from 3 weeks ago. Well, they just can't do anything.
Let me ask the question.
When subliminal influences is you're unaware of
Phenomenon that occurs during grandiosity.
a psychological approach. It's 5 irony. You remember you have animism or animism implemented.
Some people say I have a cuteness.